The peacock who wished to fly. Tosi was a kind and gentle bird. He lived in peace with all other birds, but Tosi had a dream. Instead of pecking at the ground, he wanted to fly to faraway lands. He wished he could see all the beauty of the nature for himself. But Tosi couldn't even travel far in search for food. Some naughty birds mocked him. They left him all alone whenever they went in search of food. Tosi thought to himself, if I am a bird, then I should be able to fly. Why don't I have wings like other birds? Tosi decided he would try to collect feathers from other birds. He crept up behind the owl. He plucked a few feathers from her back without being noticed. The feathers were beautiful, long, and dark. He did the same with Parrot. He got beautiful green and yellow feathers. He stole feathers from different birds. Even he plucked feathers from geese who were swimming in the river. The feathers were pretty and white. Tosi kept feather gathering a secret. Tosi even stole feathers from two eagles while they were busy eating. By now, he had collected a lot of beautiful feathers. He cleverly wove them together. He carefully fixed the feathers to his tail. Now he stretched his tail. The feathers spread out like a fan. It was beautiful. The different colors made him look even more attractive. Now, Tosi the peacock was the most attractive bird in the village. None of the other birds had feathers as beautiful as Tosi the peacock. Tosi the peacock was happy as the most beautiful bird in the jungle. He no longer wanted to fly. Other birds did not mock him or tease him anymore. They were too busy admiring his beauty.
Presented by 8 for Toddlers. Hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.